Hi guys, great morning! Welcome back to my channel again. This is Jackie, your home worship advisor here at Westwind at Lancaster, New City. So for today's vlog, i-feature natin yung 2-bedroom unit dito sa Westwind. Ito yung sample turnover. Let's go inside. So pagpasok natin, ito yung kitchen. So nakikita niyo malawak yung area natin for kitchen and it's up to you na once turnover na yung unit, pwede kang mag-modify, maglagay ng mga overhead cabinets and palakihin pa yung kitchen area. Or kung mahilig ka naman magluto, okay, pagandahin natin yung kitchen area natin. So, ito yung magiging dining area after the kitchen and then magiging living area natin. So, and then entertainment area. So, this side, pwede ka maglagay dito ng TV, console table. So, mayroon tayong sample dress up naman dito para makita nyo ano yung magiging itsura na naka-modified na natin. Alright? So, itong side na to, ito guys, pakita. Ito yung magiging provision for washing machine natin. Alright. And then, yung toilet and bath natin is complete features na po siya. Meron na siyang shower up and turnover, lavatory. Right. So, now silipin natin yung first bedroom. First bedroom natin dito sa 2-bedroom na maluwag na rin yung space. So, idea to guys sa mga like if you have 1 to 2 kids, pwede ito, room for your kids. So, pwede siya yung double bed side. Then, sa baba is pwede nilang study area. And then, sliding windows na rin provision for window type aircon. Right? Naka-ready na rin yung mga saksakan natin. Yung mga socket. Okay, let's go sa master's bedroom. Here naman is our master's bedroom. Mas maluwag na siya compared dun sa first room. So, kasyang-kasya dito yung queen size or king size na bed pag gusto nyo yung maximize yung space. So, guys, sa Westwind natin, mayroon tayong with balcony or without balcony. So, pwede rin kayo mag-avail sa with balcony natin. So, pero itong size na to na 36.40 square meters is, for 2-bedroom yan, is for without balcony kayo. Okay? Right. So, ito na yung side na to, kagandahan, mayroon na siyang provision for wardrobe or cabinet para mas maluwag yung storage area mo. Ayan. Okay, and then pansin nyo guys, mas high ceiling na po yung Westwind condo unit natin. Okay. So that's all for our 2-bedroom sample turnover unit dito sa Westwind at Lancaster, New City. For financing scheme, available po tayo dito paydig financing, bank financing, in-house financing, and spot cash. So for those interested, contact niyo lang po ako sa number na naka-appear sa screen or message niyo po ako sa Facebook Messenger para makapag-schedule tayo ng 3P. Alright, thank you for watching this vlog guys. See you sa next vlog natin. Bye-bye and have a great day.